What up, tubers? This is Ray, the old DOS Geek. Rayware Computers since 1996. rwcweb.com. Okay, we're doing the Printify mug thing. And I'm going to show you what I wanted to have was a border around my image, right? So I went into Canva. This is a previous design. I'm going to use it. And the border, I mean, it could probably work with images like these, I'm sure. I haven't done it like that. You could just put the border maybe around this. But right now I want to put the border around the whole graphic, right? So what I'm going to do is we're going to go here. Actually, we're going to go here and not clip on the... They're always changing stuff, I'll tell you. Canva, design elements. Let's go here. Not that one, anyway. Let's go. Let's try that one. Alright, so I'm just going to look for a thing that I could use as a border, right? I'm going to stretch this out. 3 ways to Sunday. That's an old expression there. You youngins, you might not get that. Now I want to make it a little thicker, right? Gonna make it a little thicker. Let's make sure that it's in the center. Okay, and let's border it up with a solid border. A little thicker. How does that look, right? Okay, now I'm gonna go. That looks okay. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna download it, and we're gonna put it with a transparent background because I want to put it on a black mug. Okay, this is on a black mug. Okay, so I'm gonna do transparent background. Of course, we don't want all of them. We want the first page. We're going to download it. Now, well, let's just overwrite that guy. Okay, now on Printify, it gives you all the information. So you want to do what they say here. Okay. On a blank surface and all that stuff. Just read through it, and it's pretty self-explanatory. But you definitely want to make the image the way they recommend. It's always a good thing, you know. Now I'm going to upload my design. Oh, wait a minute, I left that black, so that won't show anything. So let's go in here and redo the colors. What goes good with black? Black and red goes good. Red might stand out a little bit. We got a gold. Let's do red. Okay. Okay, now what's happening here? See, I can't click on my other guy here, right? Because when I put this on, it went in the front. I'm going to send it to the back, and you see now I can click on it. It's not a Canva lesson. And I'm going to, oh, that's too fluffy of a red. Too fluffy of a red. I want to get it to match the other color. That really doesn't matter. You make it any way you want to make it. I like to have things match. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So let's re-download it again. Okay, let's re-download it. Okay, my videos are always on the fly. Try to keep them as short as possible. Alright, So now let's upload it. A mug. Okay, so it's a fairly large file. Okay, I don't think that's going to work out. So we're going to make it a little smaller. Smaller. Okay. I'm going to try and get it right. The size and the center. And then we're going to go actually center it. Let's preview it. And again, this is just on the fly. I just wanted to see a border around the picture. So when it's on the mug, you know, the graphic, whatever you're putting on, you know, as you can see, I got some space in there. This is just a poor example. If you want to put a nice saying in there, okay, and what you could even do, like on the Canva thing, you could actually even, which we're going to try real quick. Okay, so let's duplicate that. Put it on my other guy here. Okay. Let's download it again. And then, you know, basically, now what you want to do, something I failed to do here. Did I fail to do that? You want to make it with a transparent background. I don't know if I mentioned that already. Probably did. I'm an old guy. Alright, so let's just rewrite that one. Alright. And this would look probably nicer in gold. Other colors, like if you do the white, maybe the red might do it. Let's just see. Okay, so it's just a little border thing. Okay, let me undo that. Let me get rid of this guy. And there's the one like that. And we're going to have to reduce it a little bit, of course. Width and height. Let's reduce it. Because, you know, you want to get that border within. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Let's make sure it doesn't go anywhere when we do this. Let's preview it. Now, borders are nice in marketing. I learned in marketing years ago when you do, you know, borders and parentheses and bullet points, you know, it all catches the attention of people. Okay, and ultimately, I mean, there's probably a billion mugs online, so that looks kind of cute. Now, what you could do, of course, you could, you know, put two different messages on here, images, you know. But today I was just going to, you know, try and give you advice on how to do the border. I think that looks nice. I mean, it's kind of a, you know, the red and black always go together, of course, any type of red and black. I think that might have looked better with gold, like this color gold here. That's kind of goldish, you know. But again, and like that other one with the border completely around the image, that's not a bad thing either. Okay, so these mock-ups on Printify, they're not actually the greatest. What I like to do, yeah, you see, what I like to do is take my own pictures, you know, and then load them up somewhere like Canva or there's a ton of mock-up places you could do your mock-ups on. Alright, so again, that's how it's going to look on the mug. It doesn't really have the handle mug. See, these mug wraps on Printify, they don't actually wrap around the mug, as you can see here. You know, so this is Ray, the old DOS Geek. Ray worked computers since 1996. rwcweb.com. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you. Take care.